Hey everyone, this is a quick video on how to add a spoiler to text on Discord. So to add the spoiler, all you need to do is go to the message you want to add the spoiler to. So I'm gonna go ahead and make up a message that says, I want to add a spoiler tag. And then all you need to do is highlight the text that you want to add the spoiler to. And then this option is gonna appear at the top and select the eyeball icon, which is the furthest right icon that you can select from. So select this eyeball icon, and it's going to add the spoiler markings, which is these two little lines right here to notate that it is a spoiler. So let's go ahead and press enter to upload that. And you can see here that it's not loading. And if I go ahead and select the spoiler, I can now see that this has a spoiler option on it. Now let's say I have a text that I added a spoiler to and I don't really want a spoiler on. Or let's say I have a text that I've already submitted and I want to add a spoiler tag to it after the fact. Go ahead and select more, edit message, and then to delete the spoiler tag, just go ahead and highlight it again and select the eyeball. Spoiler tag will go away. I'm gonna press enter. You can see there's no longer a spoiler tag there. But let's say I wanted to add the spoiler tag, I forgot it. Same concept, go ahead and select more, edit message, highlight the text you want to put the spoiler on, and then just select the eyeball image again, enter, and now the spoiler tag will be there. You cannot do that option on images. For images, you have to upload the spoiler tag when you're uploading the image. You can't go back and edit the image. You can only go back and edit text to add spoilers to text that way. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this quick video on how to add spoilers to text on Discord. If you did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next quick video.